How to connect mic to Loom recording. This is really easy to do. Just go ahead and click or start up your recordings. Make sure your account is signed in. That's the only way you can actually begin recording. So click on record a video. Make sure you've given access previously to Loom to have access to your microphone and your camera. All you need to do to select the mic you'd like to use is simply make sure it's turned on. So if your mic isn't turned on, go ahead and turn it on. Once you've turned it on, click on the options for mics. You could basically scroll through till you find the mic you'd like to use for your recordings. Once you found the mic you'd like to use, go ahead and click on that mic. That way you can begin using it for your recordings. Now, if you do not find the mic on your device here, if it's not shown, go ahead and restart your computer or simply restart the Loom recording process. If it still doesn't show up, it might be a system error. All right, guys, that's it. So just make sure your mic works. Make sure to set the microphone you want to use as the default, and that would be it. All right.